I'm in Sand Springs. Looking right above my head is this giant, formerly half-mile wide tornado.
The Restored Hope Ministries building there, just to the west of Gilcrease Museum Road, back toward the Tulsa County complex. That's just on the east side of 33rd and the Keystone Expressway, and all the way south toward Charles Page Boulevard. It looks like this is going to be just northeast of Prattville, very close as it moves east toward the downtown area. These are 5-minute tracks. Each one of these lines is about 5 minutes. So the updated track puts this potential tornado into downtown Tulsa by 5:54, TU area at 5:58, Promenade Mall 6:01. I'm not sure if we can, we're maybe working on getting our tower cam up too while we take a look toward downtown Tulsa right now. Not sure if we can see anything too suspicious there. East Central High School, if this holds together all the way across the city by 6:07, Tiger area 6:10, Broken Arrow 6:12, as this potential tornado moves right across the city. Okay, joining us on KRNG Tulsa, our radio partner here. Tulsa, we've had several tornado reports in the Sand Springs area all the way back toward Westport. This potential circulation now is moving very close to just west of downtown Tulsa. Zoom in all the way with this storm. Let's jump back over to weather 1 if we could. Again, Charles Page Boulevard. It looks like what we're looking at is the wind conditions a little weaker. But again, with that surge of air that we talked about coming back out of the storm, that's what has been out this tornado just about 30 minutes ago. So we've been on continuous conditions for the last 2 weeks. A little bit weaker. Again, we should see a tornado redeveloping from the storm early south. So Tulsa and Tulsa, University of Tulsa, Medical Center, nobody needs to be leaving or entering the hospital, shelters in place. Central High School area, if you are home alone, if your kid home alone, mom and dad aren't here yet, and you're north of 51st Street in Tulsa, you need to get to a bathtub, a safe room if you have it. Grab a helmet if you have one, a baseball helmet, football helmet, bike helmet, it doesn't really matter. Most of injuries from tornadoes occur from head injuries, so get a helmet on before you move into shelter. Meteorologist Ben Warwick and some more as our severe weather team covers.
That's the tornado above us. It's not currently on the ground.
Now, in living in Broken Arrow and hearing the sirens going on outside, the tornado